I'm super excited that we've got ourselves a GT3 in for some work. This isn't just any GT3, this is a 992 GT3, so it's brand new. We're going to give it some extra noise and expand its lungs. Wait and see the results. This thing's going to be amazing. So the car is midway through the process already. If you follow me over, I'm going to show you the exciting part. So Sam at the moment's removing the valves from the old exhaust. He's already cracked on and got that off the car, but the new system is here in all of its glory. So let's talk a little bit about this exhaust that's going on this car. So this is a JCR exhaust. So Johnny Cocker Racing is the company itself, and funny enough, I actually used to race and compete against Johnny many moons ago. That was another life, but anyway, moving on, we've got effectively a cat back or GPF back monitored system. So what that means is it keeps the emissions fully in check. So you've still got the pipe takeoff here for the GPF connections, and that effectively is going to be basically a rear silencer replacement. So this will give a good amount of noise. This is full titanium, and I mean everything is full titanium. I think apart from the clamps themselves, it's a full titanium system, and that takes the weight down. Basically, it chops it in half, so it loses around 6-7 kilos. With that, we've got these great big chunky titanium black megaphone tips, which I'm excited to see the look of. It's going to set it off at the back. We've also got some little cool paddle shifters as well to install. So quite a few bits and pieces here for us to do. I can't wait to get this one on. I'm going to do less talking and more installation now with Sam, but wait till the end of the video because that's when we're going to give you the before and afters for the sound clips. So let's get back into this one, get this on the car, and let's give it a rev shortly. Yep. And that pretty much wraps things up here now. The exhaust is installed as well as the paddle shifters that you would have seen on the video. As a whole, that was a pretty straightforward and simple installation, one that we really enjoyed here and had good fun doing. For the most part, it is just rear diffuser, back section only. I mean, the exhaust is here and the engine's only there, so it's not that much pipe work to run its way through to the back tailpipes there, which look great in black rather than the chrome ones that come with on standard models, and obviously the black ones that came with, but these are titanium. Whole system saves around, as I said, about 7 kilos around that, so it's going to certainly shave a few tenths off on the lap times. But as a whole, that wraps things up here. This car, as mentioned, does come from Jersey. I can pretty much guarantee this will be one of one. There won't be many others, if any, in Jersey running this exhaust system, if any GT3s at all. So we've enjoyed this. Thank you guys very much for watching. You'll see the sound clips now that I mentioned earlier in the video. We've done a combined static rev-in and drive-bys. I think realistically, given the fact that this being Euro 6 compliant, which means effectively you've got GPFs on, you can only rev it to 4,000 revs, which as a static rev, you just don't get the full sort of benefit as such. So where you do hear it is on the drive-bys and the drive-offs. So you'll hear that now. I hope you enjoy the video. Again, appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe as always, and we'll see you next time.